Hello, property owners and rental managers in Bengaluru. Are you ready to improve the move-in experience for your tenants and build stronger, stress-free tenancies from day one? Whether you're leasing a single home or managing multiple units, a tenant's first impression sets the tone for the entire rental journey. Confusion around policies, contacts, or property usage can quickly turn excitement into stress. That's why a well-prepared and informative tenant onboarding packet is essential. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create a comprehensive and professional onboarding kit that delivers clarity, reduces disputes, and makes your rental management process more efficient and tenant-friendly. 1. Craft a personalized welcome letter. The onboarding packet should begin with a friendly and professional welcome letter. This letter sets the tone for a positive landlord-tenant relationship. Take this opportunity to introduce yourself or your property management company. Thank the tenant for choosing your property and confirm a move-in date, address, and designated point of contact. The tone should be warm and approachable, inviting open communication, and reassuring the tenant that support is available whenever needed. This personal touch helps foster trust and connection from the outset. 2. Include the signed lease agreement for reference. Even though the lease has already been signed, providing a copy in the packet ensures that tenants can easily revisit important clauses. Highlight or flag key sections such as rent due dates, penalties, maintenance responsibilities, and notice periods. This reinforces transparency and prevents misinterpretation, giving tenants a clear understanding of their rights and responsibilities. 3. Add a move-in checklist and condition report. A comprehensive move-in checklist is essential for documentation and fairness. It should cover every room, including details about flooring, walls, appliances, and fittings. Ideally, complete the checklist during a joint walkthrough with the tenant and ensure both parties sign the move-in condition report. If you use digital forms, include a printed version in the packet. This record not only builds mutual accountability, but also reduces disputes at move-out time. 4. Clarify rent payment guidelines and options. Eliminate confusion around payments by clearly outlining how, where, and when rent should be paid. Mention all accepted payment methods, whether via tenant portals, online banking, or checks, along with due dates, penalties for late payments, and guidance on what to do in case of technical issues. If using a digital platform, include login details and simple steps to access it. You may also add a mini FAQ to cover the most common rent-related questions. 5. Explain the maintenance request process. Maintenance queries and delays often cause tenant dissatisfaction. Prevent this by providing detailed instructions on how to raise service requests. Include your preferred method, such as an online portal, WhatsApp, or email, along with emergency contact numbers. Differentiate clearly between urgent and non-urgent issues, and provide an estimated response time for both. This proactive approach gives tenants peace of mind and streamlines your property maintenance operations. 6. Outline community rules or resident handbook for properties with shared amenities or multiple tenants. Clarity on rules is key to harmonious living. Include a resident handbook or a section dedicated to house rules. Cover topics such as pet policies, noise restrictions, guest access, laundry use, parking protocols, and waste disposal schedules. Explain the logic behind each rule so tenants view them as beneficial rather than restrictive. A transparent set of community guidelines enhances cooperation and helps preserve property value. 7. Provide utility setup instructions and contact list. Make move-in smoother by providing all the necessary utility contact details. If tenants need to set up or transfer services, include provider names, phone numbers, websites, account information, and a timeline for activation. If utilities are bundled into the rent, clarify exactly what's covered. This clarity helps tenants avoid service disruptions and unnecessary stress during their first few days in the new home. 8. Share appliance manuals and usage tips. If your property includes major appliances, such as air conditioners, washing machines, or smart home systems, include manuals or simplified usage instructions in the onboarding kit. Tenants may not be familiar with specific models or controls. Sharing basic troubleshooting advice and energy-saving tips not only prevents misuse, but also helps reduce your long-term maintenance costs. 9. Introduce nearby services and emergency contacts. Help tenants feel more connected to their new neighborhood by including a list of essential local contacts. This can range from emergency services like police and hospitals to nearby grocery stores, clinics, pharmacies, and transport hubs. For added value, include a few personal recommendations like parks or cafes. Newcomers relocating to Bengaluru especially appreciate this extra level of support during their transition. 10 Summarize key contact information and response times. Close the packet with a clear summary of contact details for the landlord or property management team. List official working hours, communication channels, emergency lines, and who to reach out to for various issues. Outline when and how tenants should expect a response, distinguishing between routine and urgent matters. Setting communication expectations up front builds mutual respect and reduces unnecessary follow-ups. Bonus tip: offer a digital version for easy access. In today's tech-driven world, providing a digital version of your onboarding packet is a smart move. Upload all documents to a secure cloud folder or tenant dashboard and provide tenants with login access. This ensures they can view the lease, maintenance steps, and payment details anytime, from any device. It also makes it easier for you to make updates without reprinting and keeps your property management process streamlined and eco-friendly. Partner with SANGAU for expert tenant onboarding in Bengaluru. At SANGAU, we understand that great tenant relationships start with great communication. That's why we provide property owners with fully tailored tenant onboarding packets that leave no question unanswered. From welcome letters and lease summaries to utility contacts and emergency guides, our end-to-end onboarding support ensures every tenant feels informed, confident, and comfortable from day one. Ready to elevate your tenant experience and minimize disputes? Trust SANGAU to simplify your rental operations with professional tenant onboarding solutions designed for success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more expert tips from SANGAU on smarter property management in Bengaluru.